Let's talk about moissanite. Moissanite is a type of somewhat naturally occurring mineral. It is made of silicon carbide and naturally formed. It is actually incredibly rare, way rarer than diamonds. Naturally, it's only found in meteorites that have come to Earth or in a couple specific rock formations, like one in Wyoming, where it can sometimes be included as xenoliths, which are basically rock fragments with other rock grown around it, and sometimes moissanite can be included in that or found as inclusions in diamonds and other minerals. Now, despite the fact that it is actually much rarer than diamond, it is used as a diamond alternative, specifically in things like engagement rings. You can see here it has a much higher kind of like sparkle and rainbow refraction than a diamond does, and it has a very similar hardness of around 9.5 on the Mohs hardness scale, whereas the diamond has a 10 out of 10. Another reason for its popularity as a diamond alternative is because of that rainbow reflection. When light is shone through it, it reflects a rainbow pattern spectrum way stronger than diamond, both lab-grown and natural diamond. This specific kind of phenomenon is known as moissanite rainbow fire because it has such a high reflective and refractive index. It has its own thing. Not many other gemstones do this. This is also due to the fact that moissanite produces what is called a double refraction, which, without going into a lot of physics things, makes light refract in two different ways, kind of, and combines to make this whole rainbow refraction much brighter than any other gemstone, including diamonds. It also catches light in a more colorful way, so even if you have a pretty much perfectly clear moissanite gemstone, it will appear to have way more rainbows than a regular diamond would. Synthetically lab-grown moissanite, which is the most common because, again, they are very rare to find naturally. It can also come in a wide variety of colors in a similar way that diamonds can. It also has uses in places outside of jewelry making, even though that is one of the most common. It's often used as a diamond replacement, again, in jewelry, but in other applications such as in electronics and thermal things, because again, it shares very many physical properties with diamonds, so it can be used in pretty much most places that diamonds can. It's way cheaper to buy and produce, even though lab-grown diamonds are quite easy to produce and the diamond industry is a scam. But anyways, moissanite is a very good alternative for jewelry such as engagement rings or fancy necklaces and all of that. It's usually much cheaper to buy than diamonds, even lab-grown diamonds. Lab-grown moissanite typically is a lot cheaper and a good ethical alternative.